How to fix Voicemod not opening and running in the background. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and search for Voicemod application just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. So let's just search for the Voicemod application. And as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Voicemod application. So what we can do over here is we can just go back to the home screen, make a long press on Voicemod and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select on that, and if it's possible, you can delete all data, but if not, you can just clear the cache. Next, what you can do is tap on the option of app permissions and make sure that you have given access to all of those options that are required. And after you do that, tap on other permissions. You can just tap on the option display pop-up windows, so just tap on always allow. So as you do that, your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.